Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel IBOL Designing Developer. Like previously you have just seen in many videos, I have just covered up many of the things using many different languages, and I hope you all enjoy that all previous things which I have done yet. So today we are just building another project here, and today we are also building an amazing project, and this video will be also really helpful like previous one was, and this video will be also containing many of the things which you will be needing to learn. So today we are just building an amazing JavaScript project, and JavaScript series are now just moving on. So we have just learned about many of the loops previously on. We have just learned about while loops, for loops, and today we are doing practical work on loops, and we will be building a project of profile card flip, which will be really helpful for you using practical loops, and this video will be also really helpful. Remember to see this from start to end if you want to learn how to build project using this practical loops, and if you want to see more videos like that, so hit notification bell from which you will be notified with all the future videos. So now we'll be starting with our video to see how to build the amazing project using this practical loops in JavaScript. So like I'm telling you, we'll be just working with JavaScript, and today we are just using practical loops project, and today we are building that, and now we are building the project using practical loops. So now we'll be starting to build our project here which we are building using practical loops. So today we are building an amazing practical example of using loops, and we will be building a project also using this amazing project using this amazing tag. Today we are building an amazing 3D flip card with hover effect here. So now here I will be opening my VS Code to just work with this project. So now when you have opened this folder, here you have to now go to file. Then when you just go to file, here you have to move to here on desktop. Then here you have to just open your practical example of using loops. This is our folder. Then here I will be now just copying the starting code from here, erasing all the stuff. Then when you've written this, here you have to paste the starting code. Then when you are getting this thing, just here I will be erasing this, save this, and we are getting 3D flip card on hover. Then just you have to do one thing here, you have to open it in default Google Chrome browser. So our folder was on desktop, and you can see this is the folder here. Okay, so if I move here, so here you will be getting the folder of practical example of using loops. This is our main file. Here I will be opening this. Only background color we are getting, all the things is removed. So for getting all the things, just you have to do it side by side. So here I will be now just moving here, then press Ctrl B here. So I will be pressing this, then you have to just do it side by side like this. Now when you've written this, you have to just move down, and here I will be doing one thing. I will be closing the tag of body tag. Then you have to move down again, and then write a tag which will be like div, and then here I will be writing class wrapper like this. Then I'll be moving down right here div class, then I'll be writing here cart, then I'll be writing here front face like this. Then you have to move down right here image, right here https, and here I'll be writing slash images dot unsplash. Then I'll be writing dot com slash photo. Then I'll be writing dash 149. So here I'll be writing 1492288991661 dash 058 AA541 FF43. Then you have to write question mark IXLIB. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing is equals to RB dash 1.2.1, and you have to write like this. Then here I'll be writing IXID is equals to EY, then write here JH. Then when you've written this, write CHB, then write here FAWQ. Then I will be writing here IOJ. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing EY. Then you have to write MD, and here I'll be writing D9. And then when you've written this, here I'll be writing auto is equals to format. Then write here and fit, then is equals to prop, and then here I will be writing W. Then right here is equals to 634, and then I will be writing here Q is equals to 80. Then you have to close this tag like this, and now this tag is closed already, we don't have to do that. And now when you've written this, here I will be moving down right here div class card. Then here I'll be writing backface. Then you have to move down right here image, and after writing this image tag, you have to just do one thing. Here I will be copying this URL which we have written, and then you have to just save this and reload. So when you just save this, you can see we are just getting nothing here, because now we have to just do it in at the back also. So you can see this is the URL here, and we have just pasted Now you have to just do one thing here, like here you have to now uh, do like here I will be moving in this tag after this, and after moving here I will be now just doing one thing. Here I will be moving under this tag, under this image tag which we have written in this card backface. Then you have to write here div class info, then you have to just write div class title, then you have to just move down and then write here any title. So here I will be writing my name. Here you can also write your name if you want to write. Then here I'll be moving down, right here p tag, write user interface, then I'll be writing designer and vr, then here I'll be writing front and developer like this. Then when you've written this, here I'll be writing ul, write a tag, hashtag, right here I tag, then right here class FAB Facebook. Then here I will be moving down, right here a tag and right here I tag. Then you have to write FAB FA Twitter. Then when you've written this, here I'll be moving down, right here I tag and then right here class FAB FA YouTube like this. Then when you've written these all things, I will be now just doing one thing. Here you have to move down after this, and here you have to just do, you have to close this HTML tag, and then I will be saving this. So save this and then you have to reload. Now if I just show you, you can see when I'm hovering on this, we are getting our hover effect, and this was our amazing project, and this is our 3D flip card with hover which we have built using this amazing JavaScript, and we have just used practical loops for example, and we have just built this amazing project of 3D Flipkart using this amazing practical example of using loops project. So I hope you understand how we have built this amazing 3D Flipkart project using practical example of loops project, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, understand this, so hit a like to this video, because this video was different from the previous ones which we have done yet, and I hope you will be enjoying all the future videos also which I'll be uploading, because that will also giving you help when you'll be moving forward. And this video will be also really containing many of the things which you will be needing to learn about JavaScript and many other languages. So I'll be uploading more videos like that which will be helpful for you, and I hope that will be. So just I'll be meeting you next project. So for today, goodbye.